Hello, I'm Yeyi Mentor. Do you feel stiff when you wake up? Foggy by the afternoon? Suffer from lower back pain? Or feel unsteady when walking fast? These issues actually stem from 3 core declines: stagnant meridians, A, stiff spine, and weak lower body. Stability. Today, in 6 minutes and 12 seconds, I'll guide you through 3 fundamental Tai Chi movements. This isn't about learning a fancy form, it's about restoring your energy, vitality, and spirit. But I must be upfront, I'm showing you the shape today, the real secrets, how to avoid injuring your knees or how to engage your waist correctly, what I break down step by step in my course on my website. The first movement targets the meridians. Many think this is mystical, but it's actually about your peripheral circulation and fascial chains. Perform the movement. Look closely at my hands. It's not just my fingers moving, it's intent guiding. The key guiding the blood. When you feel a slight tingling in your fingertips, it means blood is flowing back to the heart, boosting oxygen to your brain. This looks simple, but 90% of people make a critical mistake. They shrugged their shoulders. If your shoulders are tense, the ki gets stuck at the neck. Instead of feeling energized, you'll get dizzy. Sink the shoulders, drop the elbows. I dedicated an entire lesson in my course to teaching you how to relax the trapezius to prevent this exact issue. Keep the rhythm. 3 deep breaths. Do you feel the tingling? If yes, your pathways are opening. The second movement addresses lower back pain and the risk of spinal misalignment. This is a modern-day epidemic. Transition into the movement. Notice, my range of motion isn't extreme. I'm focusing on connecting each vertebra, starting from the sacrum, opening the Mingmen lower back area, moving up section by section through the thoracic spine to the cervical spine. When people follow along at home, they often try to force a big stretch, bending from the waist. This compresses the discs and makes bulges worse. Tai Chi focuses on opening the joints, not folding them. We use spinal spirals to nourish the discs. True waist training is about core, canister stability. Watch my pelvis as I turn. Is it swaying? If your hips are swinging side to side, you're just compensating with the hip joints, and your lower back isn't getting any benefit. The final movement builds leg strength and balance. Aging starts in the legs. The key to preventing falls isn't step count, it's single leg stance duration. The hardest part of this movement is maintaining neither lose nor resist. During the transition, many people lose their balance because they resist, they tense up all over. True balance flows like water, finding support within the movement. If I don't teach you the precise timing of the empty versus solid transition, for example, at what percentage of weight shift you should start stepping, you'll never learn it from watching a video alone. A 1-second difference can add 30 kilograms of pressure to your knee joint. So, if you followed along with those 3 movements, you should feel a gentle warmth spreading through your body and easier breathing. That's the magic of Tai Chi. But I have to be honest with you, Watching a video and thinking you've learned it is very different from actually doing it correctly. Your body is likely repeating old, poor habits. Practicing incorrectly is worse than not practicing at all. Do your knees hurt after practice? Is your back sorer than before? That's the result of missing the crucial details. These 3 movements are just the tip of the iceberg of my complete training system. In my course on my website, I break down every detail: sinking shoulders, relaxing the hips, supporting the lower back into simple, actionable steps through video lessons. I include dedicated correction sections and follow-along versions to ensure every breath is correct and every joint is aligned. If you want to truly harness the healing benefits of Tai Chi, rather than just mimicking the movements, click the link below or visit my I'm Yehi Tai Chi mentor, and I look forward to guiding you through the real depth of Tai Chi in my course.